Hello guys, today I'm going to introduce our versatile e-bike FarmMate. This bike enjoys high popularity all over the world. I think you guys will also love it. The battery can come with 48 volts, 17.5 amp hours Samsung lithium battery. Among the large capacity available for removable Lantu battery packs, it removes off easily, so that is convenient for taking home charging and avoid being stolen. The bike is equipped with powerful and efficient Bafang H500 rear drive motor with 500-watt dependable power and 80 Nm torque. It offers strong support when needed. The powerful 500-watt Bafang motor on the FarmMate fuels even the most ambitious riding routes. Dual mode make it possible to have 3 driving modes: front mode driving, rear mode driving, or all-wheel driving. The smooth-shifting 7-speed manual cassette transmission provides a far more enjoyable riding experience, perfect for both paddling up steep hills and cruising at high speeds. This bike is designed for 2 passengers. The big comfortable seat is large enough for 2 persons, and there is footrest for the second one. The rear suspension is adjustable according to the ride numbers. These take care of all the riders in all kinds of terrains. Then let's go to the display. Display offers extraordinary customization with 5 riding modes. These controls are located on the left side of the handlebar. Power on demand with the intuitive and convenient half-twist throttle available as a standard feature on the super efficient FarmMate. Pedal when you want and throttle when you want more motor assistance and greater acceleration. The LED headlight and rear light won't just catch the eye of your fellow riders in the bike lane. It is optimized for added visibility, which means you can enjoy some added peace of mind on your nights out. Finally, let's have a look at riding conditions. After watching our video, do you want to get it? Contact us in the following comments.